Where the fuck y'all at?
Body X Politic and Toaster. Yeah, my bad. Alright. You guys, we don't care if you rate us 1 star, so tell all your Fetch Manboy of Love Association partners to make all the public accounts they want. Anonymous, we do not care about ratings. Haven't you learned anything, you dumbass twats? Oh my god. Like, yeah, you see Anonymous. Yeah, rate me 5 stars and I'll give you a cookie. Yeah, no, we don't care. Rate us 1 star, leave us 0. As long as we get our word out, that's all that matters. So, you need to write this down and learn something, Politic and Toaster. I'm starting to think they're both the same people, but I don't know. Maybe Politic has a split personality that he likes to have sex with. But, yeah, it is very, very irritating. So, Politic, Toaster, this one's for you.